Now, this is a very simple process. In fact, you've got to imagine you're about 8 years old, all right? A lot funnier if you do that. What's your name?
Sue.
Sue, you enjoying yourself this evening?
So far, yes.
Now, Sue, I've got a very simple thing for you to do today. I'm going to tell a little story, and I'm going to give each of you a sound effect. And whenever I put the microphone in front of you, go! I want you to do that sound effect. Is that okay?
Yes.
Your sound effect is... All right, every time I put the microphone in front of your mouth, I want you to say that. Is that okay?
Yes.
No. Is that okay? So you're refusing to talk to me now, eh? Very good. Excellent, very good. So, what's your name?
Steve.
Steve. Now, your sound effect is... You got that? Every time I put the microphone in front of your mouth? Excellent. Just like that image. And your name, sir? John. Here you go. My name's Nick. Pleased to meet you. You seem like you're a bit uncomfortable that I haven't gone to go on the formalities at this point, right? Your sound effect? See, I didn't have to preface that. We're talking about kids, you're all laughing at a raspberry, haven't even started yet. There you go, right? Every time I put the microphone in front of your mouth, what do you do? This is the home of the raspberry. This is Tasmania. Come on. Want a bit of summer pudding in that raspberry? A bit of moisture. We got any lubrication? Very good. Very good. Once upon a time, there was a man. It was an electric show. And a woman. And a dog. The dog was named Fido. Get out, Fido! And this man and this woman lived next to an evil scientist who obviously wore corduroy trousers. Very good. The evil scientist was making a ray gun. He fired it in the air. He fired it at the wall. He fired it at a tree which held a hive of bees. A lot of bees. The branch of the tree fell down with it. The bees chased after the scientist. He ran into the next door where the man was cutting his lawn with some sort of really small lawnmower. The scientist ran in his corduroy pants. Until he stepped on something that Rover had left in the backyard. He ran further on into the backyard, where the man was doing a Rolf Harris impression. The beast chased the man into the backyard. They both ran together. They ran upstairs, where the woman was in the bedroom with her little friend. The beast continued to chase them. until they all fell down with her. Ladies and gents, give my volunteers a hand.